How to move funds from Binance to Polygon in order to use dApps like Aave. This is a pretty easy solution that also works for US citizens using Binance US. And we'll be using the Binance Smart Chain bridge. And it's actually really simple. My name is Kieran. I highly recommend to subscribe if you want more tutorials on how to use cryptocurrency dApps in order to earn passive income and live a decentralized lifestyle. So I assume you already have a Binance account. Binance US or Binance.com both work really well. So the process is more or less the same if you use USDC or USDT. Now, when you actually send the funds, you have to make sure that you have some Matic tokens on the Polygon network because you're going to have to pay some fees. You're going to have some BNB tokens on the Binance Smart Chain because you also have to pay fees on the Binance Smart Chain. That's a prerequisite. So the first thing you want to do is look at some of my other videos. And when you've done that and you've got some funds on Polygon, Matic tokens, as well as some funds on the Binance Smart Chain, BNB tokens, then you can proceed with this. And this is something that you can always do if you want to send some stable coins, taking some profit from crypto and sending it to Aave to earn some passive income. All right, so I'm actually going to show it with USDC. So I've got some USDC on my Binance account. And what I will do is I will take my MetaMask wallet address. Make sure, it doesn't really matter if you're on the Binance Smart Chain, but make sure here it says Binance Smart Chain, click on account to copy the account 0x84BC. I'll paste it here. And then what is very important is on the network, you're going to have to select the BEP20 BSC Binance Smart Chain. And as you can see, the fee is a lot lower than for Ethereum, so 79 cents. I'll click that. I understand. I select the max amount and I'll click on withdraw. Click on continue. And here I have to get some security information on my email in order to withdraw. And I'm going to have to input my Google authentication. If you haven't already installed this, I do highly recommend making sure that you have two-factor authentication on your Binance accounts, as there's so many people that get hacked. So this is probably going to take a few minutes. I'll come back when this is done. The speed is dependent on how many people are trying to withdraw from Binance. All right, so it looks like it's processed, confirmations 20 out of 15. If you want to make sure that the funds have been transferred, you can just go over to bscscan.com, and then here you can paste your Binance Smart Chain address, look for it. And then here on the token, you're going to see USDC. So this is great. The next thing that you want to do is go over to the Binance Smart Chain Polygon bridge. And it's not only a Binance Smart Chain Polygon bridge. You can actually bridge from many different other smart contract blockchains, such as XDAI chain, Phantom. And you can also use this to go the other way around. So if you want to remove funds from Polygon, you can actually send them over using xpollinate to XDAI or Binance Smart Chain or Phantom mainnet. I might make tutorials about other ones. All right, so we've got our funds on the Binance Smart Chain, and we actually want to send them to Matic. Matic is the old name for the Polygon mainnet. And here we want to send some USDC. And the receiver address, always make sure to double check that it's correct. I would really like to just check it, maybe even copy and paste it in here, just to make sure. Then I click on swap, and it's going to open up this window, setting up a channel between both of these smart contract blockchains. And then here I can say the amount of USDC. I'm going to select max. The recipient gets 1,100. That's pretty good. Here's the price. The price can vary a little bit, so make sure you check that it looks like a good exchange rate. Here, just minimally different. The fee that I'm paying is just 50 cents, which is pretty good. A lot cheaper than using Ethereum blockchain. And then what I'm just going to do is click on swap. I'm going to have to confirm the transaction on MetaMask. And this might take a few minutes. Or just a few seconds. It really depends if the chain is congested. But what is important is do not close or refresh this page Not really sure what should happen. I don't think anything should happen that's bad, but I don't recommend doing that, and they don't recommend doing it as well. All right, it looks like a success. I don't think it even took more than a minute to do that. So if you want to see the USDC, you can actually click here on add USDC to Matic. That's pretty cool. We're gonna have to switch network to the Polygon chain. And then this will add the token name to your MetaMask wallet. And that's pretty cool. So here, when you click on assets, you're going to see the $1,100 of USDC. So that's great. That's it. That's how you actually bridge from Binance Smart Chain to Polygon. And then afterwards, a pretty easy step. I'll head over to Aave, click enter app. And then here I've got some funds. And what I'm going to do is actually going to click on the deposit USDC. I've got 1,100. Click on max, click on continue, click on deposit, click on confirm. And this should go through in just 1 or 2 seconds. Click on dashboard. And then before I had 1,000, now I've got $2,096 in USDC. So that was it. That's how you actually bridge and send funds from Binance to Polygon. And the great thing is that you can do this. It doesn't really matter if you're in the US or you're using Binance.com, because the US actually allows users to withdraw USDT to the Binance Smart Chain. And as soon as you're on the Binance Smart Chain, you're freed from any KYC and regulations, whatever, and you can send the funds to Polygon. And the great thing is that when you're on the Polygon blockchain, you can actually then start buying whatever tokens you want with extremely low fees. And the great thing is you can even buy some pegged ERC20 tokens. So if you know a token that you'd really like to buy, then you can just go over to QuickSwap and make sure that you're on the Polygon Matic blockchain. Then you can buy whatever token you want, and you've got many different ones. So if you want to buy some Aave, I recommend doing these token buys or sells on the Polygon blockchain. If you want to do some trading and like maybe sell or buy some ETH, you can also do that here. This is pegged ETH, meaning, or wrapped ETH, meaning that it's backed 1 by 1 by ETH in a bridge. So that was it for this video. If you've got any questions, leave them down in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, a big thumbs up would be highly appreciated. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.